Hello guys, welcome back to LVLIMUA channel. Jadi hari ni LVLI ada model special which is my friend Atira. Kita akan buat makeup dia sebab since dia dah tukar colour rambut, so I wanted to make her makeup kind of for date-ish. So sebab dia cakap, why don't you namakan this makeup as your date makeup, macam tu. So first kita akan cleanse the face. I'm using toner from Hada Labo, the 8 toner, and then I use this one is, if I'm not mistaken, is moisturizer from Hada Labo also, the premium lotion all over the face dengan menggunakan brush Sephora code 47. And then I put moisturizer. This one is from Hotomogi. Yeah, Hotomogi skin conditioner. I really guna brush juga all over the face untuk kasih the face plump and moist. Sebab this one I suka sebab dia buat kulit outer layer kita tu jadi lembut. Sesuai lah dengan nama dia, skin conditioner. We apply it all over the face and then make sure to let everything to be absorb into the skin. And then LVLI pakai, this one is primer slash moisturizer juga. This one is from apa nama dia tu alamak, lupa. Okay, dah check dah. It's the Embryolis concentrate late I'm so bad at this. The moisturizer lah. Kenapa LVLI guna dua moisturizer? Sebab yang skin conditioner tadi tu untuk melembutkan the outer layer of the skin, and then this one is to lock all of the moisture. Sebab dia macam a bit oily sikit, so nanti kulit you akan lembut dan gebu. To prep the lips, this one I'm using my favorite product ever, the Lucas Papau Ointment, untuk kasih kulit lembut-lembut tu yang keras-keras, untuk kasih kulit yang keras-keras dekat bibir tu untuk lembut, and then kita boleh tanggalkan. And then LVLI guna this one, LVLI tak sure what is the brand, tapi ini yang pensel kening yang tarik tu. I learned this trick from another makeup artist lah. Sebab kalau kita tak nak kening tu terlalu harsh, kita guna this pencil sebab dia warna dia just nice, and then it's not that waxy, and then dia taklah terlalu lembut. LVLI softly je sebab kening Atira dah cantik, dah ada bulunya dah berbentuk, so I just kemaskan and then fill in the blank. And then untuk soften the black hair, LVLI guna light brown punya eyebrow mascara to match the hair color. Nampak tak? Warna kening dia terus jadi auto lembut. Same thing to the other kening. And then LVLI brush, sebab this eyebrow mascara dia akan set tau the eyebrow hairs. And then we conceal to define and shape the eyebrows. Ini LVLI guna I think the Naturector code 51. Sebab the Naturector dia sangat best sebab kalau you guna, dia full coverage satu, and it's very creamy, and then dia senang nak cover all of the ni. Sebab kalau kita guna liquid concealer, dia akan sedikit tebal tau. So this one dia full coverage, tapi you pakai nipis pun dia dah ons. You see? And then we shape all over the eyebrow untuk define the shape. So that is the eyebrow we are going for. And then for the nose, LVLI letak, this one is Rimmel the matte primer yang warna purple tu, just on her nose sebab kulit dia berminyak, so kita tekan-tekan dekat bahagian hidung tu, and then whatever left on my fingers, LVLI apply dekat area pipi sebab usually center of our face or T-zone akan berminyak tau. So LVLI tak tambah, it just whatever left lah dekat on my hand. And then to correct the under eye, untuk bahagian yang gelap, LVLI pakai this concealer from Elianto, this liquid concealer, very full coverage, tapi kelemahannya dia tak set, tu je kelemahan dia. So you have to set it later with powder. This one LVLI guna coat paling gelap, I think it's brown, number 6 coat, number 6. Just to neutralize the redness and the darkness under the eye. Sebab usually kalau korang tak ada specific green or orange corrector, concealer, you guys boleh guna any concealer yang berwarna gelap. Sebab you nampak dark concealer dia akan membantu untuk tutup any celah-celah. If you have any dark spot, instead of using the normal orange green concealer. And then I put the foundation. This one I was using, if I'm not mistaken, is the Wycon foundation. LVLI mix colour paling cerah and paling gelap. I think it's NC ke? I forgot. Let me check. LVLI mix 2 colours and then LVLI letak dekat apa ni dulu, dekat plate, dekat our mixing plate, and then LVLI blend pakai sponges. Sekejap, sambil-sambil kita cari. Okay, LVLI campur kod NC10 dan juga NW35. So the cool and warm dia jadi neutral lah. Tapi tak salah, LVLI ada tambah juga LA Girl punya mixing pigment tu yang warna kuning untuk kasihkan dia golden sikit. So as you can see, LVLI letak sikit je the foundation, sebab tadi kita dah color correct underneath. So nampak dia matches the skin. We just blend using beauty blender. Don't forget around the nose, sebab usually around the nose sangat susah nak masuk. Also dekat around the corner, around the mouth area. Nampak rambut aku. All over the face. And then for blusher, LVLI guna this Super Stay Lip Matte as blusher. Since the base is still moist, kita tak set dengan powder, so we put a little je sebab this lip matte dia sangat pigmented. So LVLI just dot a few, and then LVLI dab guna the sponge that we have used tadi. Kita blend. So the reason is to just kasih a little hint of blusher sebelum kita letak powder. Sebab bila you guys guna this technique, your blusher will stay all day. Sebab the trick is, even kalau kita punya powder blusher dah fade, our underneath blusher still ada. And then I really guna this one is from Rimmel juga. I forgot, tapi dia dalam range yang blend dengan skin tu. I forgot lah. True Skin kot, something like that lah. Concealer yang paling gelap to shade the face. Just letak sikit je. You guys nampak tak perbezaan dia before and after the shading. So just to give a little bit of dimension to Atira's face. LVLI letak kat pipi. And then LVLI set, make sure there is no garisan or crack underneath the eye concealer tu. LVLI set using this powder. If I'm not mistaken, this was I think this was the Wet n Wild punya powder. It's very underrated, guys. I don't know why people don't like it, tapi LVLI rasa this powder is so soft. Dia sangat soft and dia sangat macam, it does its work lah. Sebab harga dia pun murah, RM30 je for RM35 if I'm not mistaken, for that huge pack of powder. Sangat best. You guys should give it a try. And then for the eyeshadow, kita nak buat look yang simple je. Dia macam fierce, but at the same time not too harsh. So dia fierce and sweet at the same time. Since feature muka Atirah ni sesuai untuk buat fierce look, jadi kita tak buat terlalu sweet. So LVLI guna taupey eyeshadow, taupe-ish punya colour eyeshadow. I honestly forgot what eyeshadow I use sebab video ni dah lama weh. I just got the chance to edit the video sebab it's been a long time in my archive. Lama gila dah. So LVLI guna something yang taupe, warna-warna yang topi-topi, and then we blend all over the eye. So this part kita tak perlu definition, just that up the crease and then we just blend. Kalau you guys nak blend all over the eyelid to the crease pun tak kisah. Sebab kita, the main reason we did this is to give bayang on the eye. Nama pun eyeshadow, pun bayang mata. Kita put all over the eyes, as you can see. Make sure to use fluffy brush kalau korang nak effortless punya effect. Nampak tak? Dia punya mata ada lebih define sekarang. Dia pun happy, senyum-senyum. Padahal gosip tu kat belakang. So, untuk blend, LVLI ambil powder, face powder. LVLI blend dekat bahagian luar eyeshadow tadi, so that the colour seamless. Nampak tak? Dia terus auto blend. Jadi dia macam, dia memudahkan you guys lah untuk blend the eyeshadow. And then we do the same thing on the other eyes. You guys tengoklah video yang panjang ni, macam mana saya blend eyeshadow. Sama je, there's nothing specific. You guys just blend from the lid to the outer part. Okay, now it's time for definition. Since LVLI nak buat mata dia nampak cat-ish, panjang ke tepi, LVLI darken the outer part of the eye with a little bit darker eyeshadow. You can actually use black, tapi make sure you tap the black eyeshadow dekat back of your hand first, and then baru you guys letak dekat mata. If not, nanti mata you nampak hitam. So LVLI letak dekat bahagian hujung, just blend, and then LVLI letak, this is I think Laura Mercier, I think apa nama dia, amethyst, something amethyst lah, intense amethyst kot, for a second, just to give a pop on the center of the eye. Kalau dibuka mata dia macam shining macam tu. Just blend dekat tengah-tengah mata. And then, yes, this is cream tau. Now, the hardest part ever, eyeliner. So, kalau you guys perasan, apa LVLI buat dengan eyeliner, LVLI suruh pandang atas, and then LVLI follow the line, yang garisan bawah mata tu, and then LVLI tarik je dekat bahagian hujung. You see? So, dia nampak kan? And then, daripada hujung, kita tarik perlahan-perlahan ke bahagian tengah. That is how we do it, guys. Sebab this fierce eyeliner dia sangat susah. Sebab dia tak boleh tebal, dia tak boleh nipis, tapi dia kena nampak macam mana. Plus, kalau you guys tak nak your eyes nampak wonky, nampak sengit sebelah, you guys try. You guys can try this trick. Follow the line dekat bawah mata tu, and then just panjangkan je keluar. As you can see, nampak kan? Terus fierce the eyeliner. And then untuk kasih the eyeliner tak nampak disconnected, we just fill in under the, what you call that, tight line. Tight line tu dengan gel eyeliner. This one, if I'm mistaken, I'm using the Intuit one, sebab dia sangat best. Dia cepat kering and dia tak smudge. And then to support the eyeliner look, LVLI guna eyelashes. Sebab eyeliner ni dia pelik sikit tau, guys. Kalau you guys lukis eyeliner panjang, tapi you guys tak pakai fake eyelashes, dia nampak macam tak complete. So, kalau you guys pakai bulu mata, dia akan buat effect, nampak tak? Dia macam that eyeliner is part of your mata. So, you guys akan dapat this effect of memanjangkan bentuk mata. LVLI suka letak kita punya bulu mata tu menghadap ke bawah, so that bila kita curl, kita akan curlkan. Bila kita curl, dia akan sama-sama naik dengan bulu mata original. So kalau you guys nampak, dia nampak natural je. Dia nampak macam it's part of your hair. Macam tu lah. You see? So nice. Same thing goes on to the other side of the eye. Gitu. So nampak tak, dia macam fierce, tapi not too fierce. Dia still nampak soft, and with the pop of the glitter punya mata tu kan, dekat tengah-tengah tu, so nice. And then LVLI spray sikit, sebab LVLI perasan selain daripada hidungnya semua kering, so LVLI just spray and then to moistkan balik the face. Now LVLI do contouring. This one using powder contour, with my favorite powder contour palette ever. This is the BH Cosmetic punya yang ada 10 color tu. So we just tambahkan lagi, kita definekan lagi the shading. Kita just follow the whole of the cheekbone, tapi LVLI since muka Atira ni sedikit bersegi, LVLI letak dekat bahagian luar je. LVLI tak nak tarik ke depan sebab nanti dia nampak macam polek. And then LVLI shade juga dekat bahagian dagu, tapi not at the dagu, atas sikit, so that dia ada kasih macam shape sikit. Korang perasan lah kan macam mana. Just you guys tengok je LVLI punya positioning, and then you will get what I mean. Nampak? The face auto transform bila kita dah letak the shading tadi. And then for blusher kan, kalau you guys dah letak shading macam ni, you guys just letak blusher on top aja. Kalau you guys nampak kan, LVLI letak blusher tadi tu, dia atas sikit sahaja, and then LVLI tarik ke depan, so dia akan nampak macam blushy look. We do the same thing to the other cheek. Macam tu, nampak atas sikit je daripada shading tadi tu. Sebab shading ni, it's actually up to what kind of effect yang you guys nak. So kalau you guys nak nampak bentuk yang macam natural, nampak apa effect yang natural and healthy glow, you guys buat macam ni lah on top of the shading. Kalau you guys nak nampak macam rosy, nampak macam I am blushing, you guys letak dekat bahagian depan, tengah sikit. Tapi usually that kind of technique sesuai untuk orang yang berkulit cerah. Lepas kita letak the blusher and the shading, LVLI letak this Alpha punya powder. If I'm not mistaken, this is code 020. Ya, 020 untuk under the eye, untuk brighten up lagi under the eye, so you nampak fresh and nampak clean. And then LVLI letak je all over the face, terutamanya dekat bahagian yang blusher tadi tu, sebab dalam kamera ni dia tak nampak sangat tau, tapi in real life kadang-kadang the colours tu dia macam tak blend. So I really like to use this kind of technique untuk blendkan colour dekat bahagian depan pipi tu, supaya dia nampak seamless je. Plus tadi LVLI touch up juga dekat bahagian smile line Atira. The thing about smile line is, smile line ni kita tak dapat elak tau, especially kalau orang tu dia nampak tak. Sekejap, sebelum cerita pasal smile line, korang nampak tak beza the left side and the right side? Nampak left side ni nampak lagi fresh, nampak lagi seamless compared to belah kanan. So smile line tu benda yang kita tak dapat elak tau. Orang cakap macam dia makeup crack, ada smile line. But the thing is, sebab I ada smile line juga, no matter what technique, what tricks I do, dia akan ada juga smile line tu. What we can do is only untuk mengurangkan je dia punya visibility. For the lips, LVLI guna warna-warna yang sesuai dengan the vibe yang you guys nak lah. You guys can actually use any colour, sebab the look or the face dah nampak soft je kan. So you guys nak guna nude boleh, nak guna merah boleh, nak guna ni LVLI guna warna yang macam plum-ish macam tu, without the lip liner. So this is the final look. Thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe, like, comment and share this video to your other friends if you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.